All right. Hello, good afternoon, and happy Saturday, everyone. Welcome to our Bizapps PH program culminating activity for our batch 3 for 2021. Okay, these are our interns, our trainees from informatics, and we have 7 trainees or participants for our session today. Okay, so thank you for the 3 viewers, and you can go ahead and share these to your friends, loved ones, or family. Okay, so first is let's go ahead and check if you can hear us. Okay, audio check. All right. And if you can see everyone, so interns, you can unmute your video and say hi to the world.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
All right. Okay, that's good to hear. And in our Bizapps PH program, we have the lead approach. So we have the learn, enrich, apply, and deploy. So just to give you a background, they just completed the initial courses, the Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals and Microsoft Dynamics 365 Fundamentals. So to put it into application, they will be showcasing their talents to share their key takeaways or learnings from the video. Okay, so I will give the introduction. We'll be having 2 teams for their presentation this afternoon. So we have the Dynamics team and the Power team. And our first presenter will be the Dynamics team first. All right. Followed by our Power team. Okay. So you guys, are you ready? If you're ready, then I will call on our first presenter, our dynamics team. Okay, so let's give it up to Aaron John Panlaki, Emmanuel John Panlaki, Josiah Jaire Mampusti, and Joyce Sumabat. Let's give them virtual claps on Teams. The floor is now yours, Dynamics team.
So, good afternoon, everyone, and this is our presentation for our culminating activity in this afternoon. So, we are the dynamic teams. So, yeah. Power Platform. If you're finding a solution for your business, Power Platform will be your best friend. Easy to learn, easy to build, easy to use, and doesn't need money to spend. Power Platform is always there when you need solutions for business. You can build apps without any programming experience and do it with ease. Power Platform values not only the businesses but also the customer. It provides a good solution for your business, easy to build and trust. In Power Platform, you can unlock everything for your business. You can be limitless. Using Power Platform as a solution for your business is the key to your success.
We build applications through Power Apps. We deploy the system before our apps. We use Power BI for data visualization. This is our way of interpretation. We store our data in the Dataverse, among the numerous options in our universe. Power Automate enables automation to automatically store our information. With Power Platform, our information can be rationalized, and I hope this platform will be nationalized.
Learning has no age limit, but Studying and learning at a young age. Power Platform is the way to learn and have Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents. Power Platform give us motivation and inspiration. So learn today and be someone tomorrow.
Our platform creates application and makes business solutions. Business apps can be customized to make the system process optimized. We can speed up the process with Power Automation and finish the tasks within the duration. Dynamics 365 builds customer connection and provides them with data protection. We can get customer insights and together we can reach greater heights. With data forecast, we can achieve first class.
All right. Thank you so much, Dynamics team. And thank you. Learn now and build a solution for tomorrow. So I love that from your poetry. So, Roy,
Yeah, that poetry is very insightful. Not just entertaining, but it is also insightful on introducing the core platform. So all the features and all the things that a person can do on Power Platform, they have already included it on their poetry. Good job, guys.
all right. So let's have virtual claps or reactions on Teams or Facebook. For anyone who's watching, I hope you learned something. But of course, we are going to upload this on YouTube as well. Okay, now let's give it up to our next team, our power team with Emmanuel Montellano, Gio Bea, Katie Ann Arabit. Let's give them virtual claps or virtual appreciation reactions. Thank you.
Okay, so good afternoon to everyone. I am Emmanuel Motilano and with my team, Kate Arabi and Gio Bea. So now today we will present to you a simple poetry regarding what is Microsoft solution. And our poetry is entitled Microsoft Solution, Ating Kilalanin.
Microsoft Solution ating kilalanin. Modernong panahon ating kinabubuhayan. Isabay nito'y makabagong teknolohiya na ating atang-atang. Kaya Microsoft mo tawagin ay umusbong. Layunin nito sa ating makatulong.
Ako'y nakakasiguro marami sa atin ang may alam. Microsoft, akala natin pangkaraniwan lamang. Word, Excel, at slides ang madalas natin ginagamit. Subalit lingid sa ating kalaman, marami pa siyang ibang gamit.
Power ups, ano ka nga ba? Isang hamak ng taong walang alam sa sistema. Ako'y naguguluhan, maaari mo bang paliliwanagan ng mabatid kung tunay ang iyong karunungan?
Nauna kang madinig, tanong agad ano yung may tutulong. Sa buhay, negosyo at lipunan kung kinakanlong. Gaano ba kaganda ang iyong hangarin? Kasing ganda ba? Kasing ganda ka ba ng ating ibigin?
Akala ko kompleto na. Yun pala'y mayroong kulang. Microsoft 365, talaga namang maraming apps na kaabang-abang. Halina't tunghayan, aming natutunan, upang ikay makinabang at mamangha ng tuluyan.
Sa una ay parang mahirap gamitin. Kung ang instruction ay hindi mo susundin. Siguradong ikay mapapatanong, saan akong nakulang? Bakit ayaw mong sumulong?
Hey, Junior.
Click here, click there, click everywhere. Yan ang tema ng power-ups naming binibida. Kapatid, subukan mo lang mag-explore and you'll see Microsoft like never before.
Sa aking pag-aaral ng iyong mga modules, power-ups pala ay pinagsama-samang dunong. Dunong na nagmula sa mga eksperto at bantog na naging haligi ng ating teknolohiya ngayon.
Serbisyo, connectors at data platform. Isasangkap ng Power Apps sa low-code, no-code, makakagawa ka ng bagong apps kahit sa web browser o mobile device man. Ang iyong serbisyo ay tuloy-tuloy kahit kanino man.
Iyong pangakong sapat na seguridad kahit anong mangyari, protektahan agad. Laban sa masasama at walang habas ng magnanakaw, ikaw ay asahan magkukubli sa aking tanaw.
Sa gawain pa ulit-ulit at mano-mano, ba't di mo subukan power-ups kung sinasamo? Sa iyong negosyo, Power Automate ay gamitin. Ito ay makakatulong, makatipid ng oras at gawain.
Sa tulong ng virtual agent, lumay mong mapupukaw. Sa pakikipag-usap sa chatbot, siguradong sagot ang ibibitaw. Kahit anong tanong iyong sabitin, anggarang sagot iyong kapitin. Hindi gaya ng niligawan mo, 10 buwan kang pakihintayin.
Bilang isang normal na tao, ako ay kumbinsihin. Bakit kita dapat piliin? Ako ba iyong ipaglalaban at susuyuin kahit na madalas ako ay tupakin?
Ang aking mga sinabi ay ilan lang sa mga kapakinabangan. Kukulangin ating oras kung ilalahat kong tanan. Marami na ang sumubok at madami na din ang nagtagumpay. Kaya't huwag mong panghinayangan ang panahong ikaw ay lumbay.
Microsoft platforms ating pag-aralan. Ilalabas nito ang potential mong tangan. Iyong maglilin ng abilit mo di alam. Iyong maasahan hindi daw makukulang.
Kaya ano pa?
ang iyong hantay?
Iyong yantay.
Microsoft at
Microsoft at tangkilikin. Paris platform ating gamitin.
Alright, maraming salamat sa ating power team. At sige, maraming salamat kasi tinangkilik natin ang sarili nating lingwahe, ang Pilipino, di ba? So, sa ating pag-aaral as Pinoy o ang pagiging Pilipino natin, mas maiintindihan, mas mailalahad natin kung ano nga ba ang ating mga natutunan, ang iyong mga saloobin. Kasi Microsoft is not just for a particular person. Microsoft is open to all. Microsoft is inclusive. Microsoft is accessible. Microsoft is open to diversity. Okay? So ngayon, niyayakap natin ang bawat Pilipino na sana ang bawat Pilipino ay lahat tayo maging matagumpay gamit ang Microsoft technology, Microsoft solution, Microsoft Power Platform, Microsoft Dynamics 365. Kaya sana nabigyan namin kayo ng maigsing kaalaman o at least konting patikin kung ano ang matatamasa nyo gamit ang Microsoft. Okay, Roy?
Hello. Ako ay natutuwa at nagagalak dahil ang grupong ito ay nailahad ang Microsoft platform gamit ang sarili nating wika, hindi sa hirang na banyaga. Ako ay natutuwa dahil kanilang ay nailahad ang mga maaaring magamit at maaaring maibigay ng Microsoft platform. So, sana tayo mga Pilipino ay maka-adapt at magamit rin natin ang bagong solusyon na ito.
Okay, all right. So everyone, let's give everyone like round of applause for a job well done. And of course, for everyone who's watching us or who's streaming and will be watching our videos in the future, you can start learning or joining us in our programs or our upcoming events, especially for our community, our fellow Filipinos. We are open and we hope we can empower, engage, and evangelize what Microsoft technology, specifically Microsoft business applications, can make a difference and can help you touch or change your lives. All right. So that is just our short culminating activity or our short program for this afternoon. And thank you so much for all our trainees, our interns, for job well done. And just stay tuned here with DMV Chic Mode with Bizapps PH program for our next events or activities. Usually it's gonna be Saturday, and I hope we can also share it to the community. All right. So thank you so much and have a great Saturday or have a great week. And goodbye for now and see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Bye.